#1 baby item brand title, all designed by Kanjang Lee, CEO of Tiger. We promise is to choose the best ingredient, carefully picked from nature that ensures the best quality output. Tiger will raise passion, integrity, the transparent business system to create a baby item among all other competing companies. We hope that Tiger will bring you joy and brighten your home as the leading #1 place of baby item. Our standards are high, promise to keep it there. Period. Company companies on other line, skincare, D-mask. D-mask is meant to protect any skin type in various circumstances. D-mask provides a different type of mask for different skin condition each day. No matter when, before the makeup, while sleeping, it always gives you the opportunity to have a better looking skin for tomorrow. D-mask products are formulated with most effective ingredient to provide the best possible solution for skin problem. And now, let me introduce myself. My name is Kenny here, CEO of J. Harley and Envoy English Center, which is online internet English education system. Everyone can do it, anyone, anytime, anywhere. I've been participating in this annual Grammy Awards gifting launch party for 15 years and promoting Asian companies, especially Korean companies. I see them growing through Grammy Awards gifting launch party, even their sales 2,000%. So I'm gonna continue to help their company and develop. Let's meet at the 60th annual Grammy Awards next year too. Bye bye.